Christmas card making is my favorite thing to do. While I enjoy creating all sorts of Christmas cards, there's just something special about creating an interactive fun fold card. And today I have a unique Christmas card idea to share with you that features a pop-up section on the inside of the card. Hi, it's Lynn Dunn from Stamptastic Designs. Thanks so much for joining me today. In this episode of Stamptastic TV, you will learn how to make a pop-up card. This simple accordion fold enables you to pop up some fun Christmas images on the inside of your card. At the end of this video, you will have a unique Christmas card idea that you can make with any pattern papers that you have on hand. So get creative with it and spread some holiday cheer this season with this fun fold Christmas card idea. For the latest card making ideas, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. If you enjoy making unique Christmas cards, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Okay, first let's talk about the supplies that you will need to create this card. For the purpose of this pop-up card tutorial, I will share the specific supplies I use to create this unique Christmas card. But keep in mind that you can use any pattern papers and supplies that you have on hand. Let's talk about the supplies that you will need for the outside of your card. The first thing you will need is a piece of real red cardstock cut at 5.5 by 8.5 inches. You will score the 8.5 inch side at 4.25 inches to create the base of your card. Next, cut a 5.25 by 4 inch piece of shaded spruce or some type of green colored cardstock. Next, cut a 5 by 3.75 inch piece of white cardstock. We will be doing a bit of embossing today, so choose your favorite embossing folder. I'm using the Swirls and Curls embossing folder. You will need some scrap pieces of white cardstock and some gold glimmer paper to make the Christmas light bulbs. You will also need a 2.5 by 3.75 inch piece of pattern paper. For this card, I am using the All Is Bright Designer Series paper from Stampin' Up. You will need 2 large ovals, one cut from white cardstock and the other cut from real red cardstock. The layered ovals measure approximately 2 by 3 inches when they are adhered together and can be easily created with the layering ovals framelit set. You will need a 1/2 by 3.75 inch piece of gold glimmer paper and some embellishments. For the inside of your card, cut a 5.25 by 10 inch piece of white cardstock. Score the cardstock at 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cut 2 pieces of pattern paper at 5 by 1.75 inches. Cut out 3 small ovals from a piece of white cardstock. The ovals need to be slightly larger than the Christmas light bulbs. The small stitched shapes framelit works perfect for this. Next, cut out 3 scallop ovals. The layering ovals framelit set works perfect for these. Cut the ovals from a piece of real red, pineapple punch, and shaded spruce cardstock. You will also need some scrap pieces of white cardstock and gold glimmer paper to create the light bulbs. Of course, you will also need a stamp set, so I am using the Making Christmas Bright stamp set from Stampin' Up. This set also comes with a Christmas bulb builder punch, which makes it very easy to cut out the little light bulbs. Of course, you will need some ink, so I'm using real red, pineapple punch, and shaded spruce. Now remember, you can use any paper or supplies that you have on hand to create this Christmas card. And you can shop for these supplies and other fun card making supplies in my Stampin' Up store. You can find the link below this video. All right, I think we're ready to get started. Okay, let's start by decorating the front of the card. First, let's emboss the top part of the 5 by 3.75 inch piece of white cardstock. Use your favorite embossing folder or the Swirls and Curls embossing folder. Slide only the top part of your cardstock into the embossing folder. Leave the rest of the white cardstock hanging out of the bottom part of the embossing folder and run it through your embossing machine. The machine will only emboss the cardstock that is inside the folder. Next, adhere the 2.5 by 3 3/4 inch piece of pattern paper to the bottom of the white cardstock. Adhere the 1/2 inch piece of gold glimmer paper across the center of the white cardstock. The gold glimmer paper will cover up the seam between the pattern paper and the embossing. To create the mat for the front of the card, adhere the white cardstock to the 5 1/4 by 4 inch piece of green cardstock. Then adhere the entire piece to the front of your real red card base. You will have a 1/4 inch matting around each of the pieces. Stamp a Christmas sentiment on the large white oval using Shaded Spruce ink. Adhere the scalloped red oval behind the white oval to create the mat. Embellish the oval and adhere to the center of the card with a few dimensionals. Stamp a few Christmas lights using red, yellow, and green ink. Punch out the shapes with the Christmas bulb builder. Punch out some gold pieces to accent the Christmas bulbs, and then use them to decorate the front of your card. Now let's create the pop-up section for the inside of the card. Start with the 5 1/4 by 10 inch piece of white cardstock, which is scored at 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Adhere each of the 5 and 1 3/4 inch pieces of pattern paper to each side of the white cardstock. Accordion fold the white cardstock and adhere each 2 inch end to the inside of the card, about 1/4 inches from the edge of the card base to create a mat. Since this is an interactive card, use a stronger adhesive like tear-in tape to hold the cardstock in place. Accordion folds are simple and fun to make. Although I'm showcasing a fun way to use it on the inside of your card, you can also create a regular-sized accordion fold card. Watch my latest video to learn more. Next, stamp the Christmas bulbs on a scrap piece of white cardstock using red, yellow, and green ink. Use the bulbs that say Merry and Bright on the inside of the card. Punch out the bulb shapes with the Christmas bulb builder punch. You will also punch out some gold pieces to accent the Christmas bulbs. Adhere the white and colored ovals together. Embellish the center of each oval with one of the bulbs, using the color that coordinates with the oval. Lay the card in front of you and adhere one decorated oval to the left side of each of the folds. That's it. Now you can play with your pop-up card. So what did you think? It really is as easy as it looks. If you enjoyed this pop-up card idea, give me a thumbs up and be sure to leave me a comment below. Now you have a simple little pop-up card idea that you can get started making right away. Remember, you can use measurements in this tutorial to create cards for any occasion. So go ahead and grab any pattern papers that you have on hand and start making some unique handmade cards. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking it and sharing it with your friends. And leave a comment below to let me know what you enjoyed most about the video and the tips shared here today. Have fun getting creative. Take care, and I'll see you soon.